Before I leave Shillong, I want to make a boyfriend from Shillong. So, are you single? I can take you maybe. But it was a wonderful experience. I ate a lot of delicious food and went sightseeing at museums, and I did also shopping as well. So it was very nice. Thank you so much for having me, and I wish all the best to Meghalaya for next year. May you come back with more films, more partnerships, more collaborations, and more success. Thank you.
My name is Mai Thu Huyền. I'm film producer, director, actress, business woman from Vietnam. It's the first time I come to Ceylon, India, and I'm very happy to attend the Meghalaya International Film Festival to present my movie is Kill. I'm very happy because my movie received high appreciate and warm support from the audience in Ceylon.
Okay, so you are an actress also. You are an actress and
yeah. In this Kill movie, I'm executive producer, director, and actress in this movie.
you are three talented at the same time and two type of works. You are a very good guest girl. That is madam. So before you leave Shillong, so you have cooking something here?
Yes, when I come to Geelong, I can visit some beautiful place such as one lake and Lake Kayon. Yeah, it's very beautiful and I enjoy the local food. It's very dense. I want to say that Ceylon is a beautiful city and I hope that I have many time to return to the Ceylon and I will introduce Ceylon to my friend and I want many friends in Vietnam and the other countries come to visit Ceylon and India.
Okay, thank you very much.
My name is Aditya Prasad and I'm an actor and filmmaker. And recently we have made one documentary called Son of Himalaya. Basically tells the entire story about colleges from Uttarakhand. So from 60-70 years he is doing a lot of work for nature. He is a great man, he is a Nobel Shri Padma awarded person. And the film has been completed and it's very soon it will be released. So like people like it and definitely, and I love Shillong really, like it's in heaven.
Okay, thank you for that. So before you leave Shillong, what your advice to the view of Shillong?
To meet of Shillong,
Guys, for the character, no?
guys be prepared. Something really big will happen for you. Just be prepared. That this, the art, the culture, it's really amazing. The way I just listen to that music, like soothing, so wonderful. And the people of Shillong, all the best, all the very best for your future because your future are so bright and something really great happen here for you guys. So just be ready and there's a lot of gonna be competition. So prepare yourself and all the best.
My name is Aditri Deepika and I'm from Mumbai. And I was in my past life I was a hotelier. That was my first career. But I switched to media and acting and filmmaking. Now, having worked with the best of the directors, Shujit Sarkar, Karan Johar, I did projects with them. But now I grew a lot. I wrote and I have started directing also. So my first project is A Son of Himalaya. It's a documentary which is very close to my heart, and I guess in this documentary we are talking about a matter, an agenda which everyone's concern, should be everyone's concern, that is environment. In Uttarakhand, the northern part of India, there is a mountain state that's called Dehradun. There, one ecologist stays, Dr. Anil Prakash Joshi, and he's been working for environment since 40 years. His journey, his struggles, his survival and his achievement. Now he's a Padma Shri awardee. He is Padma Vibhushan awardee. So within this 40 years of journey, he could achieve that. So it's about his success story, how he's still working for environment. And he's not working for his own family. He's working for the entire globe. Environment is, he says environment is for everyone, and yes, we also believe. But it is just that in our life we are so busy, we cannot sit and think about it. But yes, this is our like high time. We should talk about it. We should take it seriously, and we should start contributing our part. So I would like to request you all, please go to our page, A Son of Himalaya, A Son of Himalaya, and put your comments on it. It is in post-production stage. This documentary has been funded by Government of India, Information Workers Ministry, Films Division, and NFDC, National Film Development Corporation. So with the support of all of these great companies of India, we could make this. So I'm really looking forward to have your love and support to this documentary and this agenda environment. Thank you so much. Shillong's been lovely.